Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you my morning skincare routine. Before I start, I like to make sure my hair is out of the way. I sometimes put it up in a ponytail or I use a hairband like I am today. My first step is to clean my skin using my Tatcha, the Deep Cleanse Face Washer. And this is like a gel cleanser that has a natural Japanese fruit exfoliant within the product that really helps to remove any impurities. It helps me to unclog my pores, and it does all of these things without leaving my skin irritated or over dried afterwards. So I really love that about it. So I like to add a little bit of water on my face and onto my hands before I start lathering up this product, and I start slowly doing circular motions around my face, and I try to put a little bit more pressure around my T-zone because the natural exfoliant within this gel cleanser really helps to clean those areas, and it helps to remove any extra oil that I might have from the night. So after doing all of this for a few minutes, then I wash it all off. Next, I grab my clean towel and I gently pat dry my skin. Yes, pat dry. Don't rub the towel on your skin because you have to remember that the face skin is so delicate and you have to really be gentle with it unless you want to have a lot of wrinkles when you get old. Step 2 is toner, and I use the Badescu Aloe Vera toner, and I grab a little bit of this in a clean cotton pad and I gently apply it on my skin. And let me tell you that I did not used to tone my skin a while back, but I started to notice after using this toner that it really helps to balance my skin. It helps me to bring some more moisture back into my skin, so I really love using it. Step 3, facial oil. And I love using the Marula facial oil from the Drunk Elephant. This thing is expensive, let me tell you, but I think investing in your skin is very important. So I really love this oil because it not only helps to really deep hydrate my skin, it makes my skin feel so comfortable, so great afterwards, but it has a lot of great properties such as vitamin E, omegas 6 and 9. It has antimicrobial properties, so it helps your skin in a ton different ways. So I really love this product, and also in those days that I am not going to be wearing any makeup, it gives you such a natural glow, so you really will have glowing skin throughout the day. Step number 4 that I actually do occasionally is a Jade Stone face roller, and this thing I personally love using it in those days that my skin is very puffy, and it could be due to a night of lack of sleep or whatever the case is. The Jade Stone, it brings such a cool effect into your skin that, like I said, it helps to depuff, it helps with the blood flow. So I love using the bigger roll around the bigger areas of my face, and I switch to the smaller piece around my eyes. And I learned that you have to do this in an upward motion, so don't go back and forth. Like you see here, I go up, I lift it up, and then I start back down. I feel that bringing that gravity up, it's gonna help your skin. Step 5, face moisturizer. And I use the Ole Henriksen Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream. I love this gel cream so much. It smells like oranges, it's so hydrating, and it feels like so soft when you apply it on your face. I've been using it for quite a while now. I think I put it up in one of my favorite videos like 4 or 5 months ago, and I'm still loving it. This is what I use for my day moisturizer. And as you can see here, one very important tip is to always apply your moisturizers and cream upwards. Don't bring the face down, lift it up, and don't forget your neck. You can't neglect your neck. Step number 6, I use an under eye cream, and this is the Banana Bright Eye Cream from Ole Henriksen as well. I really like this one because it really helps to hydrate my really dry under eye skin, and it has vitamin C, it's collagen boosted, and it targets fine lines, and it helps to reduce any dark circles, which you can see that I do have. So I really like this cream, and I like to warm it up as you saw on the ring fingers, and I gently apply this under my eye and also on the eyelid because you can't neglect the eyelids either. Step number 7 and last, I promise, is SPF, and I use the Coola Full Spectrum 360 degrees Sun Silk Drops. And I love this SPF because number 1, it does not smell like regular SPF, which I do appreciate. It is in a very specific oil serum formula that really hydrates your skin, and the best and most important part is that it not only helps to protect your skin against regular sunlight, but it also helps to protect your skin against digital, any artificial lighting, per se your phone screen, your computer screen. Did you know that any artificial lighting can also damage and age your skin? Did you know? So that's my morning skincare routine, you guys. I really hope you enjoy watching it and that you learn about some cool products. I really take pride on my morning skincare as it is so important to take care of your skin. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.